What's good, guys? Welcome back to Lioma TV Market with another exciting, lighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. Well, this is actually a beautiful news here because trust me, if this one I am about to bring to you guys now eventually become a reality for the Southeast, trust me, it will boost economy, it will boost businesses, it will bring in more developers. Like industrialists will be forced to come, partner with this Eastern or Southeast governors the more. And yes, it will help our brothers who are always running outside Nigeria to return back to the country Nigeria, most especially those of us who now see places like Lagos, Abuja, and others like it's the only thing that can actually the best place to stay and make money. A lot of people actually want to come back. Now, the Southeast governors are actually building a very strong infrastructural development that will help transportation in the Southeast. And like you saw from the title, it is the train and speed train. Many countries in the world are already using the speed train system already, and it's working very well for them. A lot of countries in the world are using. We know of China, we know of Japan, even the US. They're using train, and it's working very fine. It no go bad if we as Nigerians, there's training the southwest, there's train in the southwest, even though it is not that functional, but the one in the southeast, they want to do it in a more stabilized way. I'm just going to read this from Edu Ani, one of biggest Southeast contractors and developers who work closely with the state government. He posted this on his X page. He said, Alex Otti and other Igbo governors are already working on the Eastern speed train that will cover both Enugu, Abakaliki, Onitsha, Owerri, Port-Harcourt and Aba. This will be the biggest news of 2024. Now, to make this not look like, okay, he's just posting it, he tagged the official page of this governor. That's to show you that it is a project that is ongoing already. And if you guys remember, I said something here about some months ago about the governor of Abia State repairing, trying to fix majority of the trainways that connect Owerri to Abia, connect Port-Harcourt to Abia. And yes, even in the beautiful city of Abakaliki, there are already train tracks that are ongoing at the moment. And I heard that even some train tracks in places like Anambra that are already in repair at the moment. And that's to let you know that this particular project is going to be a beautiful and a magnificent one. Like you could see the kind of train. Now, imagine having these speed trains operate in Nigeria and you connect them electronically. Like they don't get anything to do with Nigerian power supply. They work electronically. I don't know how the system operates, but I know that it has to do with either working electronically or it has its own solar power on its own. We have the money, we have the resources to put these things in place. So it's not something, from the images you're seeing now, it's not something that it's too, difficult to achieve. Well, I'm going to share you a video now. This is coming from Abia State. The governor yesterday had a very crucial meeting with top economists. He himself is an economist. He also had a meeting with other top economists like Sanisu Lamido. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala was invited, but she could not attend the meeting. Another top economist in Nigeria. They discussed a lot. I'm just going to share you some highlights from that one. Enjoy the video. Please, in the comments below, tell us what you think about this train project, its effect in the Southeast, or do you think it is a welcome development, and do you really think it is good for the Southeast? Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Okay.
Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful day in the hearts of Abians and Nigerians. Let me then inform us that the number one citizen is here. I want to welcome our dear Executive Governor of Abia State. I want to welcome the Synergizer-in-Chief. I'd like to welcome a man who has the transformation agenda at heart for the good people of Abia. And of course, I can see him with his beautiful wife, the First Lady of the state, Mrs. Priscilla Otti. I've also cited very eminent Nigerians who have come in company of our dear Governor, His Highness Khalifa Muhammad Sanusi II, 14th Emir of Kano. We're glad to have you here in Abia State.
Chaka biage we menu obi kuba no domu chifani na wi ebu amalu sekene kulu kene kimazuwa iwe bulu je bulu na ni banyu na egwe menu obonye ka ni na ku chifani na wi ebu azo moga amalu sekene kulu kene kimazuwa mana ndesi mienu ndesi na jado ndeme komenalo the deputy Jesus no chonga no go ifuganu ndeme komenalo Egwu maka mu brubia n'ụwa anyị dọsụ Onitsha ka bịago kwenu ịgba gị n'ọkpata ozu ọra n'anya ọba Tifobi na-amụ ihe egwu ọkpọle ya nke nwa mama higirigi ndị Igbo dara mapụrụ na n'Igbo ịgba gị n'ọkpata ozu ọra n'anya ọba